Bhagwan Srinanta Vishnu, founder, national president of the Jai Mahabharat Party. Jai Mahabharat Party is a national level political party. Kashmir to Kanyakumari, you can choose any language. Jai Mahabharat Party is the only one word, only one awards. This is purely the Jai Mahabharat Party alternative to the Congress Party and BJP Party to the India. In all over India, Jai Mahabharat Party alternative of Congress Party and BJP Party. Jai Mahabharat Party participated in Lok Sabha election 2014 and 2019 in various states in so many Lok Sabha parliamentary constituencies, and as well as we participated so many assembly state elections across the India. Right now we are going to contest all Tamil Nadu state, all assembly seats allowedly. I think 234 assembly segments, assembly constituents we are going to contest on behalf of Jai Mahabharat Party, and as well as West Bengal, Assam, Kerala also we are going to contest in all seats. And most preferably we are going to contest in forthcoming parliament elections 543 Lok Sabha seats lonely. The thing is, the agenda, Jai Mahabharat Party main agenda is for the nation. We built India as a #1 country across the world, and we bring the 1 rupee is equal to $2. This is our motto, and we eradicate the entire unemployment in India, and we provide employment opportunity across the India in all sectors. And we have our proper agenda. We are introducing in our agenda all over India free education and free medication policy. You have no single MP you have to pay for the education and medication. The entire education and medication free of cost is the burden of government. If in future we form the Jai Mahabharat government, we assure that we will provide free education, free medication all over India, that to be nationalized scheme. So we eradicate state level education and state level medication system. We take over the entire education and medication like that postal department, railway department. We amend and we adopt the education and medication system national level. That to be free. Neither Karodpati nor Garib. There is no difference at all in education system and medication system. And national level waters and system and rivers interlinking system. Across the India, all rivers interlinked with each other and build a big canal and sub canals to provide the agricultural water facility to the farmers, to gain and to raise the food content and food grains, to avoid the hunger, and we can control and establish best law and order across the India. Right now, the BJP government very badly adopted anti-farmers acts. You know well, you all knows well. So we agitated and give the support to the farmers across the India, and we also fight against the anti-farmers acts against the BJP until already made that bad anti-farmer laws. And moreover, the BJP government exploit the Indian people under the guise of corporate companies in our India. During the reign of BJP government, I appreciate all our Tamil brothers and sisters, mothers, whatever it may be. That's why Jai Mahabharat Party going to contest alone in 234 assembly segments. Our main agenda, entire Tamil Nadu, we have to provide free education and free medication, and irrespective of caste and religion, we provide scholarship facilities to the students, and we have to support maximum extent to them because of our intention, our motto of the Jai Mahabharat Party is the main agriculture based. We absolutely support always farmers and farmers workers. And after that, Jai Mahabharat Party made GST near about 28%. I think so. It is not reasonable coming to before you. Anybody cannot work, cannot do above the 1000 CR project. The slab system all over India, any entrepreneur, any business magnate, so can do up to 1000 crore business. Above the 1000 crore take over by the government, central government. Then the entire money control under control the people. I mean, in our India,